Alright people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to create this effect with Pixellab. Although I made a tutorial for this before, but based on popular demand, I want to repeat it again. So if you didn't get the first video, you can get it at the end of this video. I attached it to it.
First thing to do is to switch your background to whatever background you want to use for your design. As for this, I'm going to use a solid color. I'm going to use the white color. Once you've done that, import a shape. Increase the radius to its maximum, reduce the opacity to 0. Then you increase the stroke width to its maximum. Also increase the blur radius of the stroke to its maximum. Now use your hand to resize the shape to a small size. Then switch the color of your stroke to any gradient color of your choice. You should then have something like this. Tap on tick icon and increase the size however you want it. And you can use this effect for your designs. You can also reduce the opacity of the effect however you want it to be according to your taste. So that's it. Another way of creating this effect is also with the shape. Increase the radius to its maximum, but this time there is no reduction in the opacity. Then switch the color of the shape to any gradient color of your choice. Then increase its stroke width to its maximum. Apply the same gradient color used for the shape for the stroke. Now increase the blur radius to your taste. Not to its maximum, but to your taste. Once you are done, tap on tick icon. You can resize and adjust however you want your effect to be on your design. You can use this effect to create amazing flyers like this and this. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you.